Being a student can be tough, especially when money is tight, but start to invest early and it can really pay off in the long run, okay? You don't need a lot of money to get started, and there are some great options that fit your budget and goals, okay? So basically, let's check out some of the best investment options for students. It's not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are 5 great choices to consider. First one is a high yield savings account. It's a simple way to save money while earning a little interest over time. You got Robo-Advisors. Basically, these are easy, low-cost investment platforms that automatically manage your money based on your goals. There's also stocks. Buying shares of companies can offer great growth over time, especially if you start small and you be patient. There's also ETFs, exchange-traded funds, like stocks but less risky. They let you invest in many companies at once, spreading out your risk. And you got cryptocurrency. So if you're feeling adventurous, a small investment in crypto might be exciting, but be sure to research first. It's so volatile, it's crazy. Start investing as a student, and it's going to give you a huge head start for your financial future because of compound interest, okay? Compound interest is the best thing known to man after Jesus. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.